All right, so I'm over here on, well, I'm not telling you where I am, but I found another one of these huts. And there's a couple locals in here. They're just checking on things, make sure it's all good.
Dude, yeah, they keep like all the skis and shit up here. Like, I mean, I don't know. They've changed all over the years. We make sure to gotta keep the trash all right and proper.
Yeah, it's cool. They got trash bags.
Like, people be carving stuff. Sometimes people are pretty assholes. You gotta make sure you carry all your cans out because they have threatened to like take them away at times because people just don't treat them with like proper, but like.
Yeah, we can agree. We don't want these taken away, so everyone's got to be respectful and make sure they don't.
A lot of memories in these things too. Like, a lot of people can like sort of like time capsules of these Johns too, and like people will come up here in the summertime and like repair and mountain bike it and like make new ones. So a lot of the time, like my fondest memory probably like when I was a little kid, I remember going over to Alpine and I was with my dad and we rolled up in the John and I didn't know what it was and I walked around the corner. It was like 8.
And you found it?
Yeah, there's like 8 50-year-old men. They're all just smoking weed in it. It was like my first memory ever finding the lodges. But yeah, it was killer. I love these things. Yeah. Definitely one of the greatest like pastimes or times that Bridget Bowl has to offer. Like,
I think so too.
Definitely.
Unique things or like community wise because people leave pretty cool shit. You can just like look at like stickers from all over the place.
Yeah.
Dispensaries, like beer tabs, I mean shit, you name it. Phones, fucking whatever. Cigarettes, lighters for the community.
Community lighters.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, people are a lot nicer than I think a lot of people expect in Bozeman though.
Yeah.
I think that's also the nice part.
Yeah, I think these huts are cool. They're a cool part of the culture.
Definitely sweet.
Yeah.
Best part of the culture, I think, almost.
Yeah. What's your favorite memory up here in this?
Favorite memory up at Bridger or just for the lodges?
Just in this hut.
In this hut?
Yeah, in this hut, yeah.
Oh, geez. Probably I was like 2-3 years ago. It was like opening day. Me and a bunch of my buddies came up here and we just like day drank for like 4 hours. Just day drank so many beers. And we had like our own trash bag too. Make sure it was all like cleaned out and shit.
Yeah.
But yeah. This one, and then it's also like the one in Sweet Fox called 710.
Yeah.
That one's super fun because I remember one time we like knocked over the wall. We had to like rebuild it.
Yeah, I'm bleeping the location of that. I already got it filmed, but I'm not telling people where it's at. Yeah, your secret stay with me. What about your favorite memory?
I had a buddy who passed away a couple years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And, that's his sticker up there.
Which one?
The guy with the green hat.
Oh, yeah.
But we went out here on his like day of death and we just like skied and it was like super cool to just kind of hang out and connect with nature and like honor your friends. So
yeah, I'm sorry about your loss.
No, it's all good, but
go down in these
nights. It's cool to just experience the mountain and kind of just sit and take it all in, which is really like something you can appreciate.
Yeah, meet new people or different people because a lot of times people just stumble upon the lodge. Like, oh, hey, where are you from? Because like a lot of time people come from all over the countries. I mean, shit. Like we had the one dude from, what was it, like Turkey the other?
Turkish guy.
The Turkish guy. Yeah,
it's super cool.
Like a lot of time, like my dad, he made a business off it here too, because like he's a real estate agent. So
oh yeah.
Sell the business cards on the lift, right?
Yeah.
Kind of get the houses going. So yeah, like it's cool. Bridger's one of my favorite places for sure.
Did you guys grow up in Bozeman?
I'm born and raised here.
He was fortunate enough too. I moved here for college, but
California night.
Found a bunch of good guys.
That's good.
From Bozeman,
that's awesome.
Yeah, taking care of me.
That's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks, guys.
Yeah, of course.
Hey, I want to say hey to my friends. Catch you later. All right, I found another one. This one's a little. It's hidden, but it's really in a highly trafficked area. So let's take a look.
It's called 710.
Yeah.
That one's super fun because I remember one time we like knocked over the wall. We had like
This one's got all these broken ski poles in it everywhere. How fun is that? People have been up here since 23, 21. Beer cans everywhere. Picture frames. I don't see anything older than 21. But I know this has been here longer than that. And look at the outside. They got this ski patrol safety pole. And they put these tarps on everything. Helps them stay we're a lot more protected. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching. We'll catch up with you on the next one.